Ever wanted to master soap making from scratch or take your skills to the next level? I've got something special for you. I started making soap in 2018 after my daughter developed a really bad rash on her face and her back. I watched countless videos and read several blogs on how to make soap, and eventually I figured it out. It was truly a long journey, and there was bumps along the way. There were recipes that I tried that were terrible. There were some that I tried that were wonderful. I learned so much along the way, and one thing I really wish I would have had is one set place to get everything that I needed so that I could learn quickly, smarter, not harder. So I've created something wonderful, a community where soap makers of all levels can grow. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced pro, this free membership is made just for you. Our Handcrafters membership gives you access to exclusive tips, tutorials, and a supportive community to grow you along the way. And guess what? I'm also offering 2 free soap making courses for everyone who signs up. If you're new, the first course will walk you through the basics step by step, perfect for beginners. Already know the ropes? The advanced course, which is dealing with layers, will help you refine your techniques, troubleshoot some issues, and elevate your craft. So what are you waiting for? Uncover your full soap making potential by joining our free membership today. Sign up with the links below and start your journey with the 2 free courses. This is your chance to create with purpose and be a part of a community of passionate soap makers. Join us. Let's get soaping.